Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some amazing iPhone apps that you can download for free on your iPhone, and they're actually very useful. You can now do a lot more with your iPhone using these 10 free apps. And we're starting with the first one. This one is called PDF MPJAX, and it allows you to actually manage your PDF files like never before. Now right here you will have your PDF files. You can scan and add PDFs here, or you can add PDFs from your other apps like your Files app or other apps where you might have saved PDF files. Then when you go to Tools right here, this is where you can create, convert, and basically do everything you want with your PDF files. Starting with a blank PDF, you can create a new PDF here. You can add from files. You can create PDFs from your photos or from a website or from a scanned document. You can extract a PDF, and then right here you can edit your PDFs, like rotate them, insert a blank page, insert a photo to your existing PDF files, or maybe even delete different photos from different pages from different PDF files, and even rearrange PDF pages. Like if I just go ahead and add this here, I can now go ahead and rearrange my PDF pages any way I like. So it's actually super useful. Now if you use PDFs on your device, you can actually use this app, and as you can see, it offers a ton of different tools allowing you to manage and edit your PDFs any way you want. The next app for the video is called XClip. Now this is a keyboard app. You will need to first add it. So once you have it installed, you go to your settings, you go to general, and then right here just go under keyboards, tap on keyboards right here, add a new keyboard, and they will have XClip. Now you can see how good this works. So this is the keyboard app right here. Now you can copy something and come and just paste it to save it right here. Then you can use it later from the keyboard, or you can just add any like different snippets that you want, and then you can quickly insert them into any text you want using this keyboard. So when we go to the keyboard right here, you can see that we have the snippets. We can just go ahead and add like a phone number there, maybe something else that you want. You will have different tags right here. So all of these again can be added and removed within the app, and then you will have them ready to go right here on the keyboard. So of course you switch with this button from the normal keyboard to this one. Then you will have the clipboard right here. Anything that you had copied to your clipboard and you have saved within the app, you have them right here. And again, you can quickly insert them, and you will even have a calculator right here on your keyboard, which allows you to go ahead and calculate basically anything you need. Next up is Instaminder. Now this one is really cool. It allows you to quickly add reminders. Like right here we have the widget from this app, and I can tap on 20 minutes and I can just go ahead and add a reminder here for in 20 minutes, as easy as that. You can see basically the different dates right here. You can just go ahead and pick a custom one if you want to, but a quick way to add them is like this, directly from right here, the widget. Now what's really cool is that you can add a reminder from a screenshot. So if I take a screenshot right here, I can tap the share button and then tap Instaminder right there, and it allows me to create a reminder. So I can just go ahead and here choose, you can see that text right there. It will pick text that it will scan on that screenshot though, so that it reminds us based on the text that it has seen on that screenshot. Now I can just go ahead and pick the time right here, and just like that I have created a reminder. Now what's really cool is that these reminders will be created with the app, but they're actually saved into the stock reminders app of your iOS device. Next up is Better Specs. Now with Better Specs you will get all the details, everything you need to know regarding your iOS device and other iOS devices as well. So this is very useful, especially maybe if you're buying like a phone, a used phone, you want to see all the specs. You can just go ahead and install this app, and it shows you everything you need to know here, and everything will also have a copy button from where you can copy the details. So you will have the device information, you will have the system, the CPU information right here. It shows you everything, how much the CPU is being used, what type of CPU you have on that device, the graphics graphics information as well, the RAM memory, the storage, and then you will have the connectivity here as well. Then you will have the display, the refresh rate, the size of the screen, the resolution, the pixel density, anything you need to know about a device. And you will also have here the battery details and the temperature of the CPU and the battery as well. Now you can also test the screen of your device right here. If you want to test the touch of the device, you can just touch anywhere you see here. Wait, it's green, it's working properly, so that's really great. Now let's go back here, and you can not just actually do this for your device, but you will be able to do it for other devices as well. So if you just go to select different device, you will see your current device, but then you can just go ahead and pick any other Apple device and go ahead and check the details about that device right here. Next up is Single File. Now, Single File is an app that's an extension for your Safari app. Now, what this allows you to do is that it will allow you to save any web page for offline viewing, and it will completely download everything from that page. Whether those are images or anything that's there, it will actually save everything for offline viewing. The way it works, you simply go to a website, tap right there, and there you will have the extensions, Single File. You tap and you can see in a few seconds right here we'll have actually everything saved, and once those steps are completed you will have here the website saved. Of course, for later viewing, if you're offline, you can just go ahead and view the website like normal. You tap right here and this will of course be saved on your download section on the Files app. Next up is Smart Battery. Now this app has been around for a really long time, but it's an amazing app and the idea behind it is actually really good. Like you can see right here, we have the widgets, we have this one for the storage. It will show you the numbers there, of course, usually the used and the free storage, but then it will also show you estimation right here. Like you can see the minutes right there, how many minutes I can record a video, how many pictures I can take, and then also how many songs I can save on my device with that free space that we currently have. And then right here with the current battery, how many hours you can play on your device, how many hours you can make phone calls, watch videos, or listen to music. So it's actually pretty awesome. Going into the app, you will have 3 different sections where you can go to your battery. It will show you all the details that we just showed you guys right there on the widgets, and you will have the storage, network, and the battery as well. Next up is Duel. Now Duel is a browser and also like an AI chat. So it's both of them in one place. So you will have search, where you can just search for anything you want. Just like you Googled something, you can do that from here, or you can just quickly switch to Ask. And then on Ask here, you can basically have a chat where you can just ask anything you want. And from here, you can go ahead and get the answers that you want for anything. You can tap the plus button right here to go to a new chat. Then you can go here to different like chat histories that you have previously saved. And of course, go back to those if you have saved anything previously. TempMail is another very useful app. Now, how many times you wanted maybe to sign in or sign up on a website or an app, but you don't want to give out your real email, you can just go ahead and create a temporary email right here with this app. You create the email right there, it actually creates it automatically. You can just go ahead and copy it and use it anywhere you want. You will have the inbox, all the emails that you receive will be right here. We can also tap the refresh button to recreate a new email anytime you want and just use it instead of your real email. Battery alarm is up next. Now, battery alarm allows you to set an alarm that will go off once your device has been charged at a certain percentage. So right here, we have the slider. We can just go ahead and set the percentage. If I want to set it at 95%, I can tap on set the alarm. And once it's plugged in and it charges to 95%, it will show me the alarm. Now, if you go to settings right here, we'll have a few other options. So you can set the volume of the alarm right there. We have the notification, of course. The automatic alarm is basically the way for you to stop the alarm once you have plugged in your device. So if the alarm goes off, you simply plug in your device, it actually plug it off, it will actually stop, and then it will, of course, you will have the warning sound as well. So pretty cool, letting you know anytime your device is charged at a certain percentage. And last but not least is MemClean. Now this is an app that allows to clean the RAM memory of your device. Now just notice that cleaning the RAM memory is actually not like it will stay like that for a really long time, or it will make your device faster. What it does is that if your device is having any like glitches or an app is not working properly, it's not loading properly, that might be the fault of the RAM memory. You clean the RAM memory and try out the app again. You can see what this app does. You simply tap right there. It will do the job automatically, and it should actually free up quite a lot of space. As you can see right here, now we have 2 GB of free space. So that's basically it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, and of course subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to download any of these apps, they will be pinned on the comment down below, so go ahead and download them from the links there, and I will see you guys on the next one.